My name is Sam the Shirt. My favorite place to hang out with my friends is in my closet. But not too long ago, all of us almost lost this precious home of ours. It was just another day in our closet. I was being complimented on my starched collar when Becky the Blouse asked us if anyone smelled smoke. It was hard to see all my friends in such rough shape, and we all wondered if we were ever going to be worn again. Once CRDN is alerted to the loss, they respond within an hour, 24/7. Fortunately, we had a CRDN team of experts ready and willing to save us from the dumpster and reunite us with our owner. CRDN is a superhero for all types of textiles and electronics that sustain damage from fire or water, just like my friends and I did. After CRDN arrived, they explained the entire restoration process to our owner. Part of the restoration process is a comprehensive inventory supported with pictures. My friends, our owner, and I know where we are going now and that we'll be back soon. Before we knew it, we were being collected, sorted, loaded into CRDN vans, and whisked away. My electronic friends, Maggie the microwave and Ted the TV, were inventoried and came along with us to be restored too. Once we arrived at their restoration building, CRDN worked quickly and efficiently to clean us all. I was like new again, like the fire never happened. My electronic friends were tested using CRDN's proprietary testing station to make sure they were working properly before they go off to be restored. Feeling like our old selves again, we were folded, some of us were put on hangers, and others were placed neatly in boxes. Within 24 to 48 hours, select items were delivered to a hotel where our owner was staying while their home was being restored. I was able to be worn again, even before our new closet was finished. My teddy bear friend was happy to be back in the arms of her owner, getting lots of hugs. Once the home restoration was complete, CRDN delivered all my friends to our home and even installed our clean electronics and window treatments. Thanks to CRDN, we don't smell like smoke. All our soot stains are gone, and they put us right back in our cozy closet again. Things are finally back to normal. When the unexpected happens, give us a call 24/7, and a certified expert will respond within an hour. 1-800-963-2736.